Most people think aging starts when they see wrinkles or gray hair, but that is not how it really works. Aging begins quietly inside your body, often years before anything shows up on the outside. And if you live in the US, chances are you are seeing these signs already and brushing them off as normal. The first sign is slower recovery, not just from workouts, from stress, from poor sleep, from a long workday. You sleep 8 hours but wake up tired. Your body feels heavy. That is not laziness, and it is not just age. It's your cells producing less energy than they used to. Inside your body, the tiny energy factories called mitochondria slow down due to chronic stress, processed food, poor circulation, and constant sitting. Second sign, small problems hit harder than before. A mild cold lingers for weeks. A minor strain takes forever to heal. You feel sore without doing anything intense. This is caused by low-grade inflammation. It quietly damages tissue while also weakening your immune response. You are not sick, but you are not resilient either. Third sign, brain fog. You lose focus. You forget names. You feel mentally slower than you were a few years ago. This often happens when your brain is not getting consistent oxygen, minerals, and stable blood sugar. Your brain needs energy every second. When cellular energy drops, clarity is one of the first things to go. Fourth sign, morning stiffness. You wake up tight, especially in your back, neck, or joints. It fades later in the day, so you ignore it. This is not your body rusting. It's dehydration at the cellular level, mineral imbalance, and connective tissue losing flexibility. Drinking more water doesn't always fix this if your body can't hold on to fluids properly. And here's the most important sign. You feel older than your age, but your tests look normal. Standard lab ranges are designed to catch disease, not early decline. You can be told everything is fine while your body is quietly aging faster than it should. The good news is this: early aging is not permanent. When you reduce inflammation, support circulation, improve sleep timing, and restore key minerals, your body responds faster than most people expect. Many notice better energy, sharper thinking, and less stiffness within weeks. Aging does not suddenly start at 40 or 50. It begins internally and speeds up based on daily habits. Catch it early, and you can slow it down dramatically. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health.